Scientists, today we're doing a simple experiment to see how plants breathe. It's a process called transpiration. It's really easy to observe and really cool to watch. All you're going to need is a clear plastic bag, a twist tie, and a tree or plant that has a lot of green leaves. You'll put the bag over a branch and seal in the leaves by either sealing a Ziploc, or you can tie a twist tie around the bag to make sure that it's nice and closed. You want it to be really tight so that none of the air can escape. This works best on a sunny day with a healthy, well-watered plant. Once you've gently placed the plastic bag over the leaves, you're going to want to wait a couple hours before you check on it. When you come back, you should see water droplets forming inside the bag. Plants suck up water from the soil using their roots, and that water travels up through the stem using something called capillary action. It helps the water climb up against gravity. Once the water reaches the leaves, the plant will use what it needs for photosynthesis and other processes. Then the extra water escapes through tiny holes in the leaves as water vapor. That process is called transpiration. The plastic bag will trap the water vapor, and then as the water vapor cools, it turns back into a liquid. Those droplets of water are proof that the plant is moving water from the ground all the way up into the air. Transpiration helps cool the plant down, it moves nutrients, and it even adds moisture into the air. Plants don't just grow, they work hard. And now you can see some of that in action. Hopefully you get to try this experiment at home. And until next time, keep discovering.